floor wasn't ready. It was, it wasn't available. We had to wait for it. So I started on the walls. Okay, so I'm working on this bathroom here. And what I usually do is I put the floor down, have the floor completely finished, put my membrane down, have the floor completely finished, and then cover it and work on my wall tile. But because wall tile for the shower floor wasn't ready, it was, it wasn't available. We had to wait for it. So I started on the walls, did all the wall tile, and left out the bottom row. So all these are in, and I left out the bottom row because I want to get the floor down first before I put the last row of wall tile. So when you do that, you don't have to leave everything completely out. So this is, just a tip if you're working on this stuff. So this isn't down yet. I haven't cemented it down. But see how I got my Kerdi-Band all the way around, all in place. You can put that in and just leave the membrane off and work on your wall tile. And then it doesn't really matter. You don't really have to cover this. If you want to put a piece of cardboard on, you don't even have to worry about your mud floor. If you're using mud, or if you're using a shower tray, you probably want to cover that. But if you've got a mud floor, so now you don't have to worry about that, and keep it clean. Just finish work. You got your Kerdi-Band in. Now that the tile is in, I cut my Kerdi membrane in, and I'm going to cement this down, and then I'll put the floor down, and then finish the wall tile. But it's just a tip. Like even up over here, on the bottom here, there's a piece missing. Even so, I used a ledger board along the bottom, and then I patched the holes with some Kerdi Fix to make sure. Right here, see, Kerdi Fix to make sure that the holes are sealed. And I went up and finished all this, all the tile. So now that the shower floor is in, I can finish it up, finish grouting it. Most of it's grouted. The caulk, this needs to be caulk, so that's left out all the way around, where the two planes meet. So, I'll finish grouting it and caulk it. Caulk it, and then it'll be completely done. And in this way too, the glass guys were able to come in and template for the glass, and I didn't hold them up. So I'm going to get done here a few days afterwards. They're going to come in with the glass for the shower, and didn't hold anything up. So I'm just moving this back. So I'm just going to fold it back. That way I don't move it. I'll do this half. Put that in, then I'll do this half, and then I'll put the rest of it on top. You always need a 2-inch overlap. So I'm going to mix some cement now, and we're going to put this down. So just in case you haven't seen my videos before, my name is Sal de Blasi. I've been a tile contractor for 34 years in the Boston area, and my channel has almost 700 videos explaining how I install tile and the proper way to install it. I always go by the TCNA standards, so that everything is done according to proper methods. So if this is your first video, why don't you check out some of my other videos. I have tons of videos: backsplashes, shower floors, shower walls, bathroom floors, kitchen floors, plank tile, whatever, glass tile, whatever. I've got a ton of videos that might help you out in future projects. I also have an online store, dibsmart.com, where I sell tile tools and the T-lock system. So if you want to check that out, so leave your comments in the comment section below, and also don't forget to subscribe. And one last thing, if you want to check me out on Patreon, that'd be great. Support me there. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you got some useful tips out of this.